In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a shining logo effect in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut on my PC. Now from here, I'm going to click on New Project, and then I'm going to import that logo. I want to add the shining effect on, so I'm going to go Import. Here's the logo here I want to use for this demonstration. So I want to make this shine or have the shining effect. So from here, I need to drag this into my timeline. So it's in my timeline. Now from here in media, under library, what we want to also add into it is a plain white rectangle video. So I'm just going to match that with the current one. They're both 5 seconds in length. Now click the plain white rectangle video, or the first layer here, and then from here on the top right hand corner under video, go to mask, and now we want to mirror. So click on the mirror and then change. So yeah, adjust the mask line to be very thin. As you can see, it's quite big, so I'm going to adjust it like that. Now once you've adjusted the mask, you want to adjust the feather as well. So adjust the feather. So I'm going to zoom in. You can see the feather on that logo now. And now from here, we want to rotate it. So depending where you want your logo to shine from, if you want it to be top left to bottom left, put it at the top there. We can drag it to the top left and then make it shine like this. Or we can do it the other way. We can shine left to right from the bottom upwards. So I'm going to do the bottom upwards. So I'm going to keep it near the bottom here. Make sure you're at the start of the play. Make sure you're at the start here. And then we want to add a keyframe. So go ahead and click on keyframe next to mask. And then we need to add another keyframe. So move this all the way to the end. And now drag this right to the top right hand corner, like so. And now if I go ahead and press play, make this full screen, you'll be able to see the effect in play. So yeah, that's it guys, how to make a shining logo effect in CapCut.